Okay. Yesterday we started with the bar chart. So what is left is for us to bring in what's it called, the icons now. Let's not forget that this is what we are. These are our prototype. This is what we are trying to, mimic. Not exactly anyway. It's just like a guide for us. So we are bringing in the product and the product icon, like we normally do. Just go to our pivot table sheet and look for the product icon. I think this is it. We select it by clicking on it, then do a Control C to copy it, and just come here, just do Control V to drop anywhere. We can always reposition it. So, oh, sorry. So we can change the size before repositioning if you want. So come on. Okay. Or we can put it there and then reposition. Now, with these shapes selected, we come to graphic format. I think we are using 2x2, or let's make it small, a bit small. Or let's check the size. The size of this, this monthly icon. With just that once, okay, with that selected alone, okay. I think the size is, if you go to graphic formats, the size is like, okay, let's change to 1x1, so that let's use 1x1. Okay. Is it accepting one? Oh, okay. I think it's okay. 1.02x1. Let's use that. So we select this graphic again. Let's make this 1.02. Enter. Then we type 1 in here and enter it, and we reposition this, not this. We select the graphic. We select the graphic and reposition it. Then, for uniformity, we do a graphic fill and make it white, So we come back to, with these graphics, don't always remember to select the graphic. We select this graphic and go to graphic format, come to graphic fill, then we select white. So that is it. We have our white, we have our icon in white now. Then what are we bringing in again? We're bringing in the text product. That's the name. Like we normally do, just go to insert, come to text box, select the text box, draw, not this, select it and expand it. Okay. So the text says profit. So in capital letters. Okay, we'll turn it upside down. It's upside down, but we'll rotate it. Just come here and rotate the box. There we have it. So we want to use the same, what's it called, font color. So we come and select this font, this text, this monthly text. With monthly text selected, we just need to come and select this paint or format painter, then paint this with it as well. We need to get rid of this white background. So we select the box again. It's a shape. So, the shape, we see at the moment we selected this shape, the shape tab will be highlighted here. So with the shape tab highlighted, we have to select it to be able to do anything on it. Then we come here, the background, we want it removed. So it's a fill. This is a fill, it's a white fill. So we need to unfill it. We say we don't want any fill. So we come here and say we don't want any fill. We are still left with an outline, a line surrounding the text. So we select it again, come here and say we don't want any outline. So that removes this. So we can reposition it, just to make it closer. We can bring it closer to the icon. There we have it. So we have our text beside it. So I think that is that. Okay, we need to bring the scroll bar. Yeah. this scroll bar, we need to bring the scroll bar. Let's quickly go to the pivot table sheet. This is the scroll bar. We select it, and all this scroll bar, the checkbox, to select it, we have to right click. That's when you right click, then you click on an empty space, left click, then you can now do your Control C. You know, you come back here, just do Control V. That brings it here. Let's make it slimmer and shorter and reposition it. We can still reduce the length. Okay. I think there's something here. Okay, there are two triangular shapes on the top and at the bottom. So one at the top and one underneath. So let's do that. We can bring in our shape from here. Let's insert, come here for any kind of shape. Just you want to insert into your dashboard. Just go to insert and insert tab. Click on the insert tab. Go to shapes. We need a triangular shape. Where is that? Okay, this is it. Click on it. Then let's draw it here. Okay, this is what we need. Okay, let's get the size. Let's position one. Then we can. Oh, perfect. It's almost perfect. Oh, I think this is good. So let's just make a copy of this. Select it. Control C, Control D. Control V rather. Then let's rotate it upside down. Let's rotate it one. Oh, that's 90 degrees, if I'm right. We bring it here. That is it. Let's change the color. Okay, we could have changed the color before doing the rotation, but it's all good. We can use a format painter. Do that to work. Let's change the color to we deselected. We select the shape. Go to shape format, shape fill. Okay, we can use. Does this make any sense? What do you think? What do you think? What color? Okay, I think this makes sense. So let's just go to home. With it's still selected. Let's do format painter. Then do this. So we have. So let's scroll. That is it. So if we need the, so this is it. It's starting from the beginning. This is the first product. This is the list of the first 10 products. We want to go to the next 10 products. That's from product 2 to product 11. Just this 2 to 11. So to be giving us 10 products per time. But if you want like 5 products per time, just come here. This is the formula we used. Views per page. Just come here and change it to 5. If you go there, we see that it would have been reflected. See, we have 5 here now. We have 5 products per time. So depending on what we want, so here we have 5 products per time. So, but we can go with 10. We can just stick to 10, no? Let's go back. Let's use 10, So 10, so as it's changing here, as it's changing here, to be changing here as well. Just because, like I said yesterday, just like we did with the scroll bars, we started with the check boxes. So if you check the scroll bar, when we are configuring the scroll bar, let's select it and go to the format control. You can see that in the control, we linked it to sheet 2. So it's always referencing, sheet 2. Even if you look at these 2 cells too that are controlling, how many pages and all. Let me see in the formula. Hold on. I want to remember where we configure this. Okay, I think it should be here. We used it here. This first. where are the product lists? Let me okay, where is the let me go to where we have the list of products. We'll see that we reference this page here. This is cell AH. Let me click on this AH48. If I'm right, AH48. Okay, where is the product list? Let's see. Let's go to where we have the product list. Okay, this is the product list. It's up here. So let me check the formula. In the offset, let me see. Oh, okay, not here. Sorry. Let's go here. Select data. Edit. Okay, I don't want to tamper with it. I think it's better we check it out in the name manager. Let's go to name manager. Name manager. I think we used AH. Can't remember what name manager, what name we gave it again. Product name. AH. Is it product scroll? Yes, this is it. Product scroll. You can see AH48. You know, we reference the sheet. Sheet 2, AH48. AH48. Even for the other one, AH49. You can see that we referenced the sheet name here. So this is AH48 and AH49. You know, so that's just to show that whenever we take this on this scroll bar tool, it will always reference this source sheet, you know. So whatever we do here will be reflected in wherever we take this scroll bar and this what's it called, this visual tool. So I think that is settled. And this looks a bit clumsy. I think we can do something here. Sorry. This a bit, you know, looks like too many information here. I think we can do a separation. Let me select this. I'm selecting this, just this, you know, with the legend. Let's create a shadow. Let's separate the visual from these headers, you know. Let's kind of separate them. With this selected, now I've selected the visual with the legend. So I can come to, I think it's chart design. Is it chart design? No, format. Okay, the shape effect. We can actually put a shadow there, an outer shadow, or make it, when you just put your cursor here, it will give a brief explanation, you know. Bottom right, I don't want bottom right. I want it at the top. Oh, these are the top, fine, good. So you can see that it has separated this from this. I think it's looking a bit better, you know. You can, okay, this is the visual and this where we have the headers, you know, because it was looking too busy earlier on. So we can do that for this as well. You select don't forget, you select everything with the whole boundary with the visual and everything here, you know. But the issue we have here is that, okay, let's see. Format, we go to format, shape effect, shadow. I think we selected this. Yes, I knew it, because this was selected alone. It's not taking the whole what's it called, the whole value. Yeah, I know this because the value is because it's wide, and you know, some values are extending beyond the boundary. So you might choose to leave. It's not as busy as this, so you might choose to leave this one the way it is. Let's just undo it and let's move on. It's not as busy as this. So that is settled. That's settled. So let's quickly, you can ask your questions. Maybe probably if I'm moving too fast, let me know. I'm just trying to see if you can cover more ground than we did yesterday, you know. Let's do the donut charts. Let's bring it in. Go back here. I think it's cell type. It's for the cell type. I think it'll be somewhere here. Yes, this is cell type. You select the chart, Control C, come here, just do Control V to drop it anywhere. Then we can always reposition it, you know. Then we bring it here. Okay. First of all, I would love to remove the background color with this shape selected. You know, we go to format. Want to format this shape fill, none. Shape outline, none. So there we have it. But I don't really like this. It's looking too small. I want something wider, something bigger, So I can select this shape again, then go to design. Is it design? Yes, design. I want to change the design. Can come to quick layout here. We have lots of design here. I want something. Okay. Oh, good. This looks good. Let me select this. I can reposition this. I want this legend. Oh, no. At the bottom. I didn't just do that. Let me. I don't like the white stuff in between. Times, sorry. Uh, Not here. I don't like the one that has this white stuff in between. Ah, it should be here. I think I'm trying to avoid. Okay. Let me select this first. Let me do this. Hold on. Okay, this doesn't have any whiting. Let me select this first. Then I now go to quick layout. Change the layout. Yes. Good. So I want something like this. So with this, I can still remove this background again, I've changed the layout, the design to this. I can still remove this background again. Select this background, come to design, format, shape fill, no fill. Then at this, the data label is too busy. We select the visual, come here, data label, with this data label ticked. Let's do more options. I don't want values, I want percentage. Okay. Come on. Let's do that again. Data labels, or more options. Okay. Percentage. Where are you? Go back. Okay. Let's select what's it called? The data label. Go to home. Go to home. Let's make it pure white. Then let's make it bold. Let's make it bold. Is it bold? No. Yes. We've boldened it now. So I think this is making more sense. We can actually increase the size from here. No. Just select it and expand it a bit. Yeah. Good. Where's our legend? Let's bring back our legend. Yes, then let's stick to the bottom or to the top, whichever position you want it, but it's at the bottom now. So let's move this up a bit if we can, or let's bring this down a bit if we can. So it's about okay, I think this is the farthest it can go. Let me see if you can take this up a bit. Okay, if that's the case, let's take it up. Legend, top. I think it's because I increased the size of this shape. I think that's why it's overlapping, not this. At times, selecting these shapes can be a headache. Okay, we'll settle that data. Let me take the legend down. With this selected, we can legend. Let me take it to the bottom. We'll adjust that data. Okay, I need to change this color. I know it's not, it doesn't rhyme with what we have here. This is red. I don't think we have anything red here yet. So let's look for something that we just blend with whatever we have here. So changing colors, we have to select the visual. It's always difficult. I think I always like to, it is good to make it bigger a bit because you have to select, okay, let's see how easy it will be for us. Now, let's start with this red slice, this part. So you have to select it. You have to double click on it. So be sure, then you come here. It will tell you, it will bring you here. You want to do a fill, click on this fill. It's not showing red. So apparently that's not what we've selected. So let's expand it a bit. Yes. You select it. No, it's not that. At times it can be quite tricky. It's not selected. Okay. Imagine. Okay, let's start with this. Let's start. I think this is, why is it bringing white all the time? It should not be white. We don't have anything white here. So why is, this is selected now, as you can see, from here to this point. You can see that this red is not selected. You can see this is the beginning, this is like the boundary, this yellow part. This is like the starting point and this is the end, So we can right click and go to format. So then we come here. I expect to see yellow here, but let me tell something. Let me change to green and see what happens. So you can see that it's changed to green. That means it's selecting it, but giving me a wrong color, So let's use quickly. I think we use some. Okay, we still have this. Oh, good. So let's use. We are using this. Let's use something deep. Let's select this color. We go back here with this selected. We right click, format. We come to color. Come here. Come to more colors. I want to change the code. Control V. Then we do OK. So that is it. Then for this, let's choose another color. Don't forget that this is what we use as our main, what's it called? This is the logo we are combining colors from, from the beginning. So let's do for something deep again, another color deep. I love it because it's white. We are putting white text on a color. The data label is in white. So we will need something, it's not good to use something bright again. So we will need a deep color because of contrast so that at least we're able to see the values clearly. Let's go for this. Let's select this and let's go back there. Okay. Oh, we have one here already. Okay. So no, this is, I have to double click. Yes, this is selected now. It's selected. It can be tricky. It's giving me white. Meanwhile, it's not white. You go to more colors, custom, Control V to paste it. Okay. Let's see. Let's continue. Let's make this color. Let's look for. We don't have to. Let's just look for something. Bit of a contrast. I don't know. What do we think? I think this is too bright. Personally, I think this is too bright. It can. Let's retain the. Okay. Okay, I think this is okay. What do we think? Hello.
Yeah, it's looking beautiful. I think I like this. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's reduce the size again because we need to put something on top there. Fine. I think we have our legend there now. It's not blending with the. Okay. It's not. it's not inter. What's the word again? It's not overlapping with the legend. I mean our chart now. So let's quickly bring in our what's it called? Cell type, our icon and text. The cell type is something like teal. Yes, that's a teal. This is the teal. Control C, copy it, come here, do Control V. We use which shape? Oh, we did selected, go to graphic format. Don't forget we use 1.02 by 1 by 1, 1.02. So we reposition this, not you. Select, I need this. Okay. Okay. We want to change the, I don't want it coming out. It's going to be smaller, but I think it's better. I want it within. So we want to change this color. You select it, go to graphic format, graphic fill. Let's use our white, our usual white. Where are you, Oga? Graphic fill, white. Okay, good. Then our text, let's bring in a text box, insert, come here, text box, bring in our text. This is cell type. Format painter, let's select this, go to select format painter, then that is it. Don't forget to remove this background, select the shape format, shape fill, none, shape outline, none. So we can bring it closer to the icon, just like we did for others. So there we have it. So we have our so we can repeat that for this. So I think that's all. Yeah. Okay. For our payment, okay, let's do, because we have this, so we can just repeat that for this. We just use the same column. So let's do our area charts quickly. Let's do area charts. Let's see how much time we have. So let's go to here. Our area chart is somewhere here. If I'm okay, yes. We did selected, Control C, come here, Control V. Okay. Let's drag it. Let's drag it here. Let's reposition it. Let's bring it up. Let's increase the length, because we need space for our icon up there. Like I said, I don't want this thing to extend beyond the page. Let me bring this up, take this up a bit, so that this days will show. Let me see how many pages, if we have not gone beyond the page. We come here, select this, full screen. Okay. Think I don't want to go beyond one page. That's the truth. Let me see. I think a page is too. I think this is still part of a page, if I'm right. Okay, we can adjust that later. You can just do minor adjustment later. Let me return it. Click on the ellipsis. Come here. Show full ribbon. You are back to the normal view. Let's select. Okay, let's quickly remove the background. I don't want these grid lines. These grid lines, these are the horizontal lines here. Select this. Go to remove grid. This untick the box. Then let's remove the background. Select the shape. Come to format. Shape fill. None. Outline. None. Then the X and Y axis, because it's not, we can't see we can't see whatever is here. So we need, because the font color is black at the moment, so we need to change it to white, just like we did for others previously. Just select it, come here, change it to white. Then for the other one as well, select it. It's selected now. Come here, change it to white as well. Let's make it bold. Let's make this bold as well. Select this again. Okay. Select this again. Make it bold. Fine. Here we have it. This color. I don't like. Okay, first of all, let me see how they did theirs. Okay. Now this, like 2 now, it's so difficult to know where 2 is, So we can actually draw a line here. We can change this design in such a way that let's see. Let's select this. Let's go to design. Let's look for one that has horizontal lines. Fine, this has. Okay, this has horizontal lines. So let's remove the grid line again. Let's take out the background. Let's unfill it. Graphic fill. No fill. No outline. Fine. So no outline, I said. Format. Shape fill. No fill. Oh, I didn't do the right thing earlier on. Again. Sorry. So I'm moving too a bit fast. Then the outline. No outline. You see, give me an outline. Let's select the shape again. Okay, it's selected now. Format. We don't want any outline. No outline. It's gone. Let's return this to bold color. Let's return this. Is this bold? This one is fake bold. Let's return this to bold color. Is this white and bold? Okay. No, not the background. It's the font we need to change to white and bold. This is not white. This is like gray. This is like off-white. So we need to change it to white, Gogo. So this is white now. Yeah. So we have it. Let's change this color. Let's change this color. It does not rhyme with the other color we have here. Let's look at something like orange. You come here, you double click on it, fill. No, this is for the lines. And for the colors, yes. No. Let's go for something. Okay. Can stay with this. Then these grid lines, these lines here, these vertical lines, just select it. Come here. No, this is not for the lines. This is for the shape. I have to select this for the lines now. You can see this is the color. This is for the line now. This line, can see line on top here. So let's use like black. Let's see how. Okay. Let's use like black and let's we can make it thicker. The transparency, you can either reduce it or increase it. It depends on what you want. So I'm trying to reduce it, doesn't have to be then. The width, I'm trying to make it a bit bolder, So I think here we have it. So what do we think with this? You can say, this is 2. You can come here, you can say, okay, between 2, 3, and 4, there's a drop. Unlike here, that between 3 and 4, you really can't tell. you have to trace it. You have to trace from the number upwards. So with this one at a glance, you can tell this is 11 and this is 12. You can see there's a rise. So I think it's better to also use this. Then let's quickly bring in our icons. Sorry, I'm moving quite fast today. The daily and the this and that. So let's bring in that. I'm sure if we go look at the video all over again, I'm sure we'll be able to have a better understanding of what we did in class. So let's use this here. Control C. Let's go back here. Control V. It is selected. So let's just change the size to 1.02 by 1. So we have it. When we see those, okay, no. It's always tricky at times, especially when it's lodged in between values. Okay. Doesn't want to come out of that place. Got it. Okay. let me take it out of here. I don't know why it's lodged somewhere there. Okay. Let me go for it again. I think this is it. Control C. Don't know why it's okay. Good. So let's graphic format 1.02. Control A1. Enter. So we have it here now. I have not reduced the size. I have. Let me undo it. Okay. So let's just bring it here. Let's do a graphic fill. Come here, graphic fill, and let's make it white. Let's begin our text box. Insert here, text box. Let's take it up a bit. What's the name? I think it's daily. Okay. Daily. Too fast. So let's copy the format. Come here. Select this. Click on Format Painter. I didn't get that. Come here, select this, Format Painter, then you select this. That is it. So you have to remove this background. Select the shape, shape format, shape outline, shape fill rather, no fill, shape outline, no outline. There we have it. So I want to take it closer. Times when you are moving too fast, I want it bold, safe. Oh, no, not you. Oh, it's bold already. Oh, it's bold. Okay. So I think, how time runs out very fast, Okay, let's put that on shadow like we did for this. Let's select it. We select this. We come here. Design, not design, format, shape effect, shadow. This is outer. No. I don't know if it's good, but if you don't want shadow, you might not use it, Let's take it up a bit. Try to take this up. Try to see if we can reduce the size of this. Okay. I think with this, I was hoping we were able to finish all the visuals today, But apparently, so I don't know. I think Sadebi, I think it's a good space to stop.
Yes, sir. We've done
Okay.
really